Hey guys, how's it going? How to check saved drafts on Instagram. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram and tap on the plus icon at the bottom center. Okay, and basically select either post or reel depending on what you have saved. If you have any draft saved, you will see a draft section appear at the top of your screen, and tap on drafts to see all of your saved drafts. From here you can select draft to edit or publish. That's it. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.